Hi, this is Andy with Mountain Computers. I just want to let you know that I'm going to show you a series of, software uh, tips and tricks that I have been training people on for over probably 30 years. Ever since I worked at Microsoft. I retired from them 22 years ago. 22 years ago? Yeah, about that. However, I'm going to show you Excel, and one of the problems that most business owners and developers don't understand is the fact that they can do quick charting without a lot of rigmarole. So anyhow, I'm just going to show you real quick how to create charting extremely fast. So let's start out with Excel in cell 1A. Let's say equals RAND, open close parens, and enter. Once you do that, you have a number. So let's go over here and create a little bit of randomness. Pull right, fill right, and then fill down. So there you have the RAND function filled down and across, well, quite a few columns and rows. Now, we want to do a quick chart, so we're going to insert a quick chart, and let's just do a basic column chart, like something like this. We'll do that. Drag it to the right, resize it, about the same size. Oh, what do I do? Just click on this and just say chart title. I'll say test. And what else? That's about it. Now, what I would do is, because these numbers are sort of weird, small, it's going to create a bunch of jumble. But anyhow, that's just a real quick way to do a chart. Okay, so let's make some adjustments here. First of all, we can move this over to the right. You can always put this back, move it down, whatever. When you click on the chart, you can actually change the chart data by bringing it back this way. Oh, that's a little better. Now that you have the chart and the data on the select set, you can see how just basic charting works. This is new in Excel. I'm used to Excel 3.0, 95, 97, 2003. This is 2019, so it's basically the same. So let's change this a little bit. Let's go times 1,000. Let's change our data set here. And by doing our data set, things get a little bit more interesting. Do this down. There. Same thing, except our data set's a little bit higher in the point values. So after that's done, what do you want to do? Oh, let me show you a secret here. File, save as, cell test folder. We'll just call it book 1. Okay, we'll replace this. So once you save the Excel spreadsheet, one of the things that you get is the fact that every time you hit Control S or click Save, the random numbers change. So you can see how your chart's going to work under various data sets, combinations. That's a trick. The other thing I want to show you that's a trick is when you go File, when you go Print, you'll see that this looks weird. You'll see that it's got your data, it's got the chart cut off. Well, the first thing I would do is go to scaling and just say fit to one page. Then I would change it to portrait. Portrait. Oh, landscape. There. Now that's all our data. We'll go back. Now, if I go to File and choose Print, the preview shows me both my data set and my chart, which is cool. So go back. If I click just on my chart, anywhere just on my chart, and I go File, and I go Print, it only shows my chart. That's a trick. Chart, chart with data. Now you notice that the Excel spreadsheet doesn't have any grid lines or anything like that, so you can always change that. It's under probably, I think it's print properties. Nope. Page setup. sheet. Show me my grid lines. There you go. There, now you got your grid lines. You want to make it look good. Bring this over a little bit. Also, we need to do a print preview. Let's see. I don't see the lines yet. File, print preview. Yeah, that makes sense. See, it's showing you your chart, your data, but if I go back, cancel, I don't see my dot 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 lines. Let me hit save. Huh, that's weird. Whatever, that's it for now. Basically, random function times 1,000, fill right, fill down, do a quick chart, change your chart design. It's got different designs. You can change your chart, you know, quick layout, you know, do this, do crazy stuff. Other than that, though, that's it. So anyhow, this is Andy, Mountain Computers, the Go Green PC Tune-Up Guy, my first training series on applications. I'll do more. I'll do a ton more, okay?